So my passion for shipbuilding industry, although I grew up in a very far area where I never had any exposure to ships and boats. When I was growing up, I had a very much passion for aerospace industry. That's why I had my bachelor degree in that. And it was that time when an opportunity came to me to do the master's in naval architecture. During my master's, I had a very good acquaintance with my professor. I like to mention Professor Philippe Rigaud from Belgium. That's where I started to develop my sense in shipbuilding, ship structure, and somehow I just continue with it. And I like it. It's a very traditional type of industry and very unique. And that's how I got into it.